What if you could turn simple text into hundreds of short videos automatically, without paying anything? No subscriptions, no hidden fees, and no complicated editing. Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue, the channel where we explore the smartest AI tools and automation workflows to help you create content faster and work smarter, not harder. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 100% free text-to-video generator that allows you to create AI shorts in bulk. With this method, you can turn one simple story into multiple AI videos ready to upload on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. No expensive software, no technical skills, no prior experience needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate AI videos step by step, create professional voiceovers, and automatically assemble your shorts using free AI tools available right now in 2026. Step 1. Install Auto Meta extension. Our first step is setting up the tools we need, starting with the browser extension called Auto Meta. Remember, the setup is critical to the process, so make sure to follow my instructions exactly to ensure everything works perfectly on your first try. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Auto Meta automation for Meta AI. Since this extension is relatively new, it might not show up easily with a simple search, so be sure to type out the full name as I've shown. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome to install it. After the installation is complete, make sure to pin it to your browser's extension bar. This will give you quick access for the bulk generation steps we will perform later. Now, when you open the extension, you will see the main dashboard. Simply click on the Go to Meta AI button. This will redirect you to the official Meta AI interface, where the actual video generation magic takes place. Step 2. Log in and access text to video. A very important note. Meta. AI does not work with a standard Gmail account. Instead, you must log in using your personal Facebook or Instagram account. Once you are logged in, your interface should look exactly like what you see here. On the dashboard, you will find two primary options: image to video and text to video. For our tutorial today, we are going to use the second option. To do this, we need a series of detailed prompts that follow a consistent story. Let's head over to ChatGPT. Go to the On Apps section, then click the GPTs option at the top right corner and search for Story Generator. This is a specially designed GPT that assists you in creating attention-grabbing AI animated stories that are optimized for high viewer engagement. I am going to ask it to generate a short story about a mischievous robot exploring a futuristic city. You can choose any theme you prefer, be it moral, emotional, or even psychological. As you can see, it has quickly written a compelling narrative for us to use. Step 3. Generate visual prompts. Now for the most important trick. Copy your story and ask ChatGPT to provide line-by-line prompts for 3D cartoon-style visuals. You can choose a style like DreamWorks, anime-inspired, or whimsical animation. Split long lines into 2 prompts if necessary. Requesting these prompts line by line is absolutely essential. Otherwise, ChatGPT might skip some parts of the story, making it difficult to automate later. Observe how it is generating a unique visual prompt for every single line of our narrative. Once the prompts are finished, give a command in the same chat to extract them into a text file. This is a critical step for bulk generation. Ensure the file contains only the prompts and maintains the exact sequence of the story. Step 4. Generate videos in bulk now. Select all of your copied prompts and paste them directly into the Auto Meta extension's prompt box. The beauty of this tool is that you can add over 100 prompts at once if you want to create a massive batch of content. Before you hit the Start button, navigate to the Settings menu. Here you can review the generation time and language preferences. Most importantly, ensure the download option is toggled on so the tool saves every video to your computer automatically. Now, simply click the Start button. Watch the magic happen. The tool is now in autopilot mode, generating scenes one by one and downloading them simultaneously. You no longer have to do any manual work. Just sit back and relax. Step 5. Create professional voiceover. While our videos are being generated in the background, let's create a professional-grade voiceover. For this, we are using the Gemini Text-to-Speech feature inside Google AI Studio. It is currently one of the most realistic and free tools available. Gemini's text-to-speech is completely unlimited. Unlike other platforms, you can paste incredibly long scripts here without worrying about character limits or running out of credits. This is a massive advantage for creators starting storytelling channels. Go ahead and paste your entire story into the input box. On the right-hand side, you will see various speaker options. Click the Generate button, and your high-quality audio file will be ready in seconds.
Sprocket woke up in a neon-lit alley. It was a small, shiny robot with bright LED eyes.
As you can hear, this doesn't sound robotic at all. It sounds like a professional voice actor, which is crucial for keeping your audience's attention. Step 6. Assemble the video. Now that your video clips and voiceover are ready, it's time to assemble them in CapCut manually. Open CapCut and click on Create a new project. Make sure the project is set to 9:16 format for shorts. Import all the video clips downloaded from Meta AI. Drag the clips onto the timeline in order, following your story sequence. Since automatic syncing isn't available, this manual placement ensures each scene flows correctly. Preview the timeline as you work to make sure each scene transitions smoothly and maintains proper pacing. Step 7. Sync voiceover. Next, import your Gemini Text-to-Speech voiceover into CapCut. Place it on the audio track below your video clips. Split the audio at each line or scene using CapCut's split tool. Match each video clip to the corresponding audio segment. Trim or extend clips as needed to ensure perfect alignment with the narration. Zoom in on the timeline for precise adjustments. This makes it easier to fine-tune clip placement frame by frame and ensures your video flows naturally, keeping viewers engaged from start to finish. Step 8. Add subtitles. With your clips and voiceover aligned, it's time to add subtitles. Go to Captions, then select Auto Captions in CapCut. The software will automatically generate subtitles from your voiceover. Customize the font, size, and placement to make sure it's readable on vertical screens. For shorts, bold fonts with an outline work best to maintain clarity and engagement. Step 9. Export your video. Once your video is fully synced, polished, and ready, click Export, then click Download, and select 60 frames per second for smooth playback. Name the video according to the story sequence, so it stays organized and easy to manage. Click Export. Our video is now completely ready. Take a moment to review the final result and see how our robot story turned out.
Sprocket woke up in a neon-lit alley. It was a small, shiny robot with bright LED eyes. Trash bins and glowing puddles surrounded it. Neon signs flickered in blues, pink. Sprocket saw a delivery drone. It swapped a crate of fruits for empty boxes. Sprocket explored the city. It saw a floating holographic cafe and a rooftop garden. An underground jazz club glowed with instruments. Sprocket left playful pranks behind. A tall security droid chased Sprocket. Sprocket dodged and leaped through the neon streets. At night, Sprocket rested on the tallest skyscraper. It gazed at the glowing city below. It smiled, ready for tomorrow's adventures.
Tools like Meta AI, combined with the Auto Meta extension, have made YouTube automation thousands of times easier than ever before. You no longer need to spend hours manually editing each scene. You can now easily produce and upload 20 to 30 videos every single day. This strategy gives you an extraordinary opportunity to mass-produce content and scale your channel's growth at an unprecedented pace. By utilizing this powerful AI and automation method, you can start creating content in almost any niche or category imaginable. This combination is designed to help creators level up their creativity without the technical grind. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more automation secrets. Thank you so much for watching.